quick video, when you get your box, just covering up first time setup, grab the AC charger, plug the AC charger port into here, put this on charge and charge it up till you get to 100%. Shouldn't take too long. I'll put sort of 40 amp into the charger. If this sort of goes a bit sort of funny and jumps up and down, and we'll do that the first time, maybe just as the BMS calibrates. So that'll get the device sort of fully charged. Then I'll basically decide. Then you can actually scan one like these apps on the top here, and you can put the sort of Bluetooth app on your phone. You'll get the same data coming through on your phone. Then you can decide where you're going to put it. So it can either go like this or on its back. You've got some sort of brackets down like the bottom, or you can mount it however you want. It is quite heavy, so just make sure it is mounted down correctly or strongly so it won't move. So before you charge, obviously you've got to turn on that isolator switch onto on. That's basically it. Then majority of people, depending how you're using it, you might be using the DC. So grab our little blue plug out of here, and you can do whatever you need to do, but you need to get your, if you have an Anderson on the back of your car already, you could actually Y split that off. So put a 1 into 2 and then take a 1 into the back that goes into here, and keep a 1 out the back of the car. Just means you're going to get reduced ampage obviously when you're driving, or depending what the total draw is. Just always keep an eye on your total draw, but if you just had a caravan hooked up and like this, it'll probably be fine anyway. If the alternator on your car is only going to put out so much power. So however you're going to get the DC in, if you're using that, plug it into here. 12 volt AC one, accessories, get that into there and find like accessory sort of source for that. So just the power that's only on when the car's on. If you already had something on your Anderson setup that gives power only sort of when the car is on anyway, or car is sort of running, you could actually just sort of jumper it off the positive on here to here, because this is only going to have 12 volt when the car's on already, because your system already has that. Solar power, some people have solar on the roof, so you could plug into that, or you could just leave the lead hanging out sort of somewhere handy. We do include this one in here, so you could put a yellow one like this end, plug into here, and just have this somewhere handy if you want to run that out for portable panels or whatnot. Yeah, that really covers everything. It's pretty straightforward, hence why it's made like this. Can't go too wrong, and it's up to you. You can put these blanks in when you're not obviously using this, just to tidy it up. Data in there as well. Yeah, covers everything. That's pretty much the first time setup. Fairly straightforward.